How to report a lost or stolen debit card in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, if you lose your Fifth Third Bank debit card or suspect it has been stolen, act quickly to protect your account. Start by calling Fifth Third Bank's customer service immediately at their dedicated lost or stolen card hotline. The number is usually found on the bank's official website. Reporting your card as lost or stolen will block the card from unauthorized use. Alternatively, you can log into your online banking account at 53.com and use the secure messaging system to report the issue. You can also visit a nearby Fifth Third Bank branch in person for help. After reporting, the bank will cancel your old debit card and issue a replacement card which will be mailed to your address. Be sure to update any automatic payments linked to your lost or stolen card once you receive the new one. Always keep your contact information updated with the bank so they can reach you if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to report a lost or stolen debit card in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.